So people, welcome back, and I'm back with another video. Today is a bit different. We're not doing a vegan food today, only because I was DJing last night on live. If you got me on TikTok, you would have seen I was DJing till early hours. So yeah, very tired, but the crew wanted to go for a walk today, so I'm here with everyone. They're all here, so finally they're all out. Normally it's just 2 of them or 3 of them, but today we've got the whole crew. So we're just walking in Hainault Forest today. Nice chilled Sunday walk. But if you are enjoying the videos, guys, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more vlogs, do let me know down below and where you want me to go. I'll try and get them done. But make sure you subscribe, guys. We've got a new goal, 5k. Let's see if we can hit it by the end of the year. But I'm gonna put the camera down now because I need a coffee first before anything. Yeah, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and let's get into the Sunday walk. Hope you enjoy. We're also here with Maya. Maya. She's got her raincoat on, ready for the mud. Marcus come prepared.
There's always one.
Jamie's here.
Hello people.
Welcome him back. It's been a while since New Year's. It's been a few weeks since I've seen him.
Hope everyone's had a good New Year's. I know we did.
Yeah, it was definitely good. One to remember, that's for sure. But we're starting this year with a new mindset. We're posting a lot more, like I said. So if you are enjoying vlogs, let me know.
It's a 5k run now, isn't it?
Yeah, we're on the road to 5k now. Trying to smash it this year if I can. So if you guys haven't already, like I said, do subscribe. It does help me out and you won't miss a thing. Damn, there's another one there. Damn, someone's made a dam, homemade. Pretty cool. Yeah, slowing down the water flow.
I did it. So
Maya, what are you doing?
honestly, you look like it. Oh, she came here.
I thought she was gonna run straight into the camera. Good girl. Say hello. Go on, do some ice skating. Go on, Jay, your turn. We nearly went. This is the one.
Be the one to go over. Oh, he just kept it. Are you making your way?
I nearly went straight on my face.
Oh, I thought he was going then.
Here we go, here we go. Ready for the ASMR. Bit of ASMR, ready? Well, I was hoping to, but it's a bit slippery. There we go, ASMR. That is thick ice. Finally it broke. Oi. That is thick ice, guys.
Can't even run for some.
Yeah, kids, don't try this at home.
Dean, slide down there. You're up in. On your roller skate.
Maya loves the ice. She comes from a cold country, so she's used to it.
Jump on that. Go one-legged.
Oh! Here we go. Ice Olympics.
Nope, he's coming.
And Maya's joining in.
Go on, babe, your turn.
Well, that escalated quickly.
I'm gonna end up.
Go on, Nat, you can do it in your rubber boots.
Oh, mine is gonna end up jumping on me.
Ready, pants. Oi!
Not for them jaws.
So, coffee is done. We're now gonna walk up there and back round. But it is a chilled Sunday. It is pretty cold today in the UK. It's icy as you saw. This battery's gonna die, so I will change it. I've got another one hopefully. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying vlogs, let me know what you want to see this year. What do you want to see more of? Let me know. What do you want me to do? February, probably start workout videos. But yeah, I'm hoping to post more vlogs and get out more this year. So yeah, I'm going to change this battery and I'll get back to you once we're near the forest. Weather's actually quite nice. The sun's this side. It's actually pretty warm in the sun, but it is a cold day. But it's nice. At least it's not raining. It's a long climb up this hill though. It's tiring, but I need to get out more, guys. I need to start walking more. Do enjoy walking, I can't lie. Through forests. Want to do some camping though, 100% this year. I did film it last year, but it didn't end up being a video. I didn't film enough, so hoping to film one this year in a forest. So yeah, look out for that. That's coming hopefully March time. Right, let's run. Maya's gonna chase me. Maya! Here she comes. Zoomies. What you got? She nearly knocked me over. What are you doing? So peaceful in here. Other than these lot talking. Shan's here by the way, I didn't show you. She's got a new hat and gloves on that she bought in the Christmas video. Nothing better than a Sunday walk. Maya, come. I thought she was going to knock me over again. She's so big, but she's such a nice dog.
8 hours a day, but it's scheduled, so I do 6 till 2 1 week, and then 2 till 10 next.
Come. This is so muddy here. Some of it's rock hard. She's found a spot. Splash! Some crazy art in this forest. There's another one there. I think it's a pirate. There's loads. We're nearly back at the car park now. That's pretty much the end of the video, guys. It's just a chilled one, nothing special. But if you do enjoy these Sunday vlogs where I go for a walk, let me know if you want to see more. Hit the like button if you did enjoy, and help me hit my goal, guys. We're on road to 5k. Subscribe, turn on all notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.